Welcome back to the Facts Matrix. Today, we're heading beyond our solar system to meet one of the most mysterious visitors ever discovered, a traveler from another star known as 3I Atlas. Scientists say it's a comet, an icy traveler that's just passing through. But not everyone's convinced. Some people believe it might be something far stranger. Maybe a ship carrying visitors from deep space, or even a sign of those who first placed life here eons ago. And if that sounds wild, imagine this. A couple of space aliens stepping off their craft, standing on the streets of New York, menu in hand, trying to decide what's for dinner. But before we jump to conclusions, let's take a closer look at what we actually know about 3I Atlas and why it has astronomers all over the world talking. It all began on July 1st, when astronomers using the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, commonly known as the ATLAS survey in Chile, spotted a faint, fast-moving light that didn't match any known asteroid. At first, it looked routine, just another rock drifting between the planets. But when researchers plotted its orbit, the numbers didn't make any sense. It wasn't looping around the sun like everything else we know. It was on a one-way path, coming in fast and never coming back. That could only mean one thing. It came from another star system. This object, now officially named 3I Atlas, is racing through space at roughly 60 kilometers per second. That's about 134,000 miles per hour, fast enough to escape the sun's gravitational pull entirely. It's the third confirmed interstellar visitor in recorded history, following the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I Borisov in 2019. Each of these objects is like a cosmic message in a bottle, a small piece of another solar system that somehow found its way into ours. At first, scientists thought 3I Atlas might be an asteroid, made mostly of rock. It was a comet, an icy wanderer that releases vapor when sunlight warms its surface. But soon they noticed a hazy glow surrounding it, a coma of gas and dust. This meant it wasn't a rock at all. It was a comet, an icy wanderer that releases vapor when sunlight warms its surface. And that's when astronomers realized just how special it was. The Hubble Space Telescope captured a remarkable view, a teardrop-shaped cloud of gas and dust stretching away from an invisible icy nucleus at its core. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope did something even more amazing. It measured the chemical fingerprints in the comet's light and found something unusual. 3I Atlas is incredibly rich in carbon dioxide, far richer than the typical comets born around our sun. It also contains water ice and carbon monoxide, but its chemical balance seems alien. It hints that this object formed under completely different conditions, in a very different part of our galaxy. Then another strange detail caught everyone's attention: the way it reflects light. The light coming from 3I Atlas is strongly polarized, which means the dust cloud around it scatters light mostly in one direction. This suggests its dust grains have an odd shape or composition, unlike any comet we've ever seen before. Every new detail adds one more piece to the puzzle of its origin, a mystery written across millions of miles of space. But the discoveries didn't stop there. When scientists looked even closer at the data from the James Webb Space Telescope, they found something that made everyone stop and take notice: nickel gas. That's right, nickel, a heavy metal that normally only appears at extremely high temperatures, yet 3I Atlas is far too distant and cold for nickel to vaporize naturally. This means the metal must be coming from deep inside the comet itself, escaping through a process we don't yet understand. And that raises new questions. Was this comet forged in a completely different kind of solar system, one richer in metals than our own? Some astronomers think so. They believe 3I Atlas could have formed near a young star surrounded by heavy elements, making it a rare sample of chemistry from another corner of the galaxy. And of course, discoveries like this are exactly what fuel speculation. If this object behaves differently, contains strange materials, and travels faster than anything we've ever seen, some people naturally wonder, could it be more than a comet? Could it be something built, not born? Of course, when something mysterious appears in the sky, people start asking, could it be artificial? We've certainly heard that before. After all, The first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, caused a storm of speculation that it might be an alien probe. Its strange acceleration and odd cigar-like shape sparked some wild theories that it might be a spacecraft. But this time, astronomers are confident. As UCLA's David Jewett put it, it's not a spaceship, it's doing what comets do. 3I Atlas behaves exactly like a natural comet, venting gases, forming a tail, and following the same gravitational path that physics predicts. Still, its journey raises some fascinating questions. How many of these interstellar travelers are actually out there? If we've already spotted 3 in just a few years, could the galaxy be filled with them? Astronomers now believe there may be tens of thousands of such objects passing through our solar system at any given time. They were just too small or too faint for us to detect until now. And that's where new technology comes in. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile will soon begin scanning the entire night sky every few nights. It's expected to find more comets, asteroids, and maybe even dozens of new interstellar visitors just like 3I Atlas. With better data and faster alerts, scientists could study them for longer periods and maybe, just maybe, even send spacecraft to intercept them one day. That would give us our first close-up look at a piece of a world from another star. Each interstellar visitor tells a small part of a much bigger story. The story of how planets form, how solar systems evolve, and how the very materials that make up life can travel from one star to another. These cosmic messengers may have carried water, carbon, and other building blocks of life across the galaxy long before our own solar system was even born. For now, 3I Atlas continues its lonely journey. It will swing past the sun, brighten slightly, and then fade as it heads back into the deep, dark expanse of interstellar space, never to return. If it survives the sun's intense heat, we might see it again from Earth in December, glowing faintly as it moves away, a distant traveler disappearing back into the night. So no, 3I Atlas isn't an alien craft, but it might be something even more profound. A time capsule from another world, drifting across the cosmos for billions of years, carrying the unique chemistry of a forgotten star system. It's a powerful reminder that while our solar system feels like home, it asks just a tiny part of something far greater and far older, a galaxy filled with endless travelers and endless stories just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching The Facts Matrix, where curiosity meets discovery. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to keep bringing you quality videos like this every single day. Well, there you have it. Thanks again for joining us on this journey. So until next time, when The Facts Matrix brings you more facts about people, places, and beyond.